What's up? What's poppin' mga kalithala? I'm Shayan Rubio and nandito tayo sa shooting ng Studio Alapaa para makigulo. No, kidding aside. Nandito tayo para malaman kung sino-sino ang nasa likod ng camera para sa pelikulang Laom. So without further ado, let's go! Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Hi, I am Ifrilepi Francia, Studio Alapaap's head writer, and this is my emotional support himbo. Briefly, tell us about the inspiration behind this story.
So, ang Laom po, it's basically a what-if story ng kwento ni Bulusan at Agingay. O, parang ano po siya, alternate universe of some sort.
How did you develop the characters? Were any of them based on real people or personal experience?
Definitely, karamihan po nung scenes namin it portrays real life experiences, and in some ways po, nakikita ko rin po si Celine tas si Isa, yung characters nila. Yung ibang ugali nila, traits nila sa akin, tas sa yung iba rin po kasi naming scenes, galing rin po siya sa naging experiences nung nasa team po namin. So basically, I think amalgam po siya ng mga experiences naming lahat dito sa team. Tapos kung ano po yung ibang characters namin, napakita rin po namin sa naging characters nila Isabella tapos ni Sige.
Were there any particular challenges faced by writing?
Yung pagtapos po sa script siguro, pinaka nahirapan ako kasi maraming beses na naka-experience ng writer's block. As aside from that, yung pag-polish po nung buong storyline tas yung concept nung story.
What themes or messages did you want to explore in the film?
I think yung film namin, it raises the question kung paano po natin dapat i-handle yung setbacks na binabato sa atin ng buhay. And sa process po nung pagsulat ko ng script, I think medyo nabago rin po yung perception ko about time. And I hope mapakita po namin yun sa film namin.
Hi, this is Jazel Sirentuaya, the director of Studio Alapaa.
What's the most important thing you want to show in this film? What's your main goal or message for the audience?
The most important thing we wanted to show in this film is that the importance of passage of time and the how the familial relationship unfolds.
What was the biggest challenge faced while directing? Did anything on set surprise you or make you stop?
On set, there was no big challenge actually. Since nakukuha naman ng cast yung character na pinapersonalize nila. And then, siguro yung na-surprise lang ako is like how well the actors get the characters on set. And then, yung sa na-difficult lang siguro is yung set ng schedule, since di mo naman madidirect yung mga actors if di naman sila nandoon or present sa set. Yun na lang. We talk a lot before and on set, but more on set po kami nag-usap since maybe sa script baga may mga mababago on set. And yes, we do work a lot or talk a lot about it. Hello mga kalithala, this is Jazel Sirentuaya, the director of Studio Alapaa, and I invite you all to watch our coming-of-age film titled Laom soon at Lithala Digital Production. Thank you!
Nood po kayo please. Thank you!
Come.
No!
Watch.
Don't!
Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Kita-kits sa susunod na video.